Hello students, let us continue exercise 4b. Now we discuss question number 5. Find the sum of the following number. Now we discuss fourth part, minus 36 and 1027. First we write plus 1027 and second number is minus 36. Clearly we see that both integers have opposite sign, so we find their difference. One 1227 36. Now we find difference. 7 minus 6 1, 12 minus 3 9, 9. Difference is 991. So we write 991. 991 comes from 1027. 991 comes from 1027 and sign of 1027 is positive. So sign of 991 will be positive, that is plus 991. Now second method, minus 36 plus 1027. Both integer have opposite sign, so we find their difference, and their difference is 991. So we write 991. 991 comes from 1027 and sign of 1027 is positive. So sign of 991 will be positive, that is plus 991. Now next part, minus 389 minus 1032. We see that both integer have same sign, so there must be add. 9 plus 2 11, carry 1, 1 plus 8 9, 9 plus 3 12, carry 1, 1 plus 3 4, 1. Both integer have same sign, so their addition will be same sign, that is negative, minus 1421. Similarly, minus 1421. This is your first method and this is your second method. Now next part, minus 36 and 100. So we write plus 100 minus 36. Both integer have opposite sign, so we find their difference. Now we find difference of 100 and 36, that is 10 minus 6 4, 9 minus 3 6. Difference is 64, so we write 64. 64 comes from 100. 64 comes from 100 and sign of 100 is positive, so sign of 64 will be positive. So sign of 64 will be positive. Similarly, we can write plus 64. Now next, 3002 minus 888. Both integer have opposite sign, so we find their difference. Now their difference, 3002 888. We find difference. Before difference, 12 minus 8 4, 9 minus 8 1, 9 minus 8 1, 2. 2114. So we write 2114. 2114 comes from 3002. Difference comes from 3002. Sign of 3002 is positive. So sign of difference will be positive. And your difference is 2114. That is plus. Again repeat, both integer have opposite sign. So we find their difference. And their difference is 2114. 2114 comes from 3002 and sign of 3002 is positive. So sign of 2114 will be positive. Similarly, we can write 2114 plus 2114. Now, eighth part. Minus 18 comma plus 25 and minus 37. First we write in bracket and their addition. Minus 18 plus 25 plus minus 37. Now open the bracket. Minus 18 plus 25. Positive number multiplied by negative number, we get negative, that is 37. Now we write first positive integers, that is plus 25. Now we write negative integer, that is minus 18 minus 37. 25 as it is. Both integer have same sign. Both integer have same sign. So their addition must be 55 and sign of both integer is same. So sign of addition will be same, that is minus 55. Now 25 minus 55, we find both integer have opposite sign, so we find their difference. 0, 3. Difference is 30. So we write 30. 30 comes from 55. 30 comes from 55. Sign of 55 is negative. So sign of 30 will be negative. Again repeat. First we write positive integer and after negative integer. Minus 18 minus 37, both integer have same sign. So their addition must be 55. 55. Both integer have same sign, so addition will be same sign, that is minus 55. 25 minus 55, both integer have opposite sign, that is plus, that is negative. So they have opposite sign. Now we find their difference. Their difference is 30. 30 comes from 55 and sign of 55 is negative. So sign of 30 will be negative. This is your required answer. Now next, minus 312 comma 39 comma 192. First we write first step. Now minus 312 as it is, plus 39 plus 192. Both integer have same sign, so their addition is plus 231. Now we see both integer have opposite sign. First is negative, second is positive. So we find their difference. 312 and 231. 2 minus 1, 1. 11 minus 8, 3, 8. That is difference is 81. 81. So we write 81. 81 comes from 312 and sign of 312 is negative. So sign of 81 will be negative. This is your required answer. Again repeat, both integer have opposite sign. So we find their difference, and their difference is 81. 81 comes from 312, and sign of 312 is negative. So sign of difference will be negative, and your difference is 81. So we write minus 81. Now 10th part, these are given integers and write in addition form. Now we write 36 as it is, minus 5 minus 203 minus 28. First write positive and after negative integer. Last three integers have same sign, so their addition will be 236 and will be negative. Minus 236 plus 36 minus 236. Both integers have opposite sign, so we find their difference 236, 36. Their difference is 6 minus 6, 0, 3 minus 3, 0, 2. Their difference is 200. Their difference is 200. 200 comes from 236. So we write, again repeat, 200 comes from 236, and sign of 236 is negative. So sign of 200 will be negative. This is your required answer. Now do question number 5 in your fair notebook. Thank you.